So the control board went bad on my furnace. Control board went bad on my furnace. I needed heat. So I tied the exhaust fan, the blower motor, into the live in the neutral. And my gas valve needs 24 volts AC at 0.43 amps, 4,300 milliamps. So I have an AC to AC power supply. Not AC to DC. If phone chargers won't work, even if you put them in series, it's AC to AC. And that opens my gas valve. If I don't have that exhaust fan going before I open the gas valve and I go to light it, it's going to fuck up shit. And you better have the fucking lighter right there lit before you plug that thing in. And even then, if you don't have the exhaust fan on, your flames will roll out here, fuck everything up, burn your fucking house down. Don't do this shit. It's stupid. I have to sit here and watch it the whole fucking time just to get heat, just to heat up the house. Like, I'm literally sitting right here, right next to the fucking furnace. So, I don't know. Don't try it. But it's how I'm getting heat right now.